Today we have the 2019 Audi A4. This vehicle has done just over 67,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access smartphone integration, navigation, radio and media. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. Just below is our drive select. From here we can switch between our 4 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.